Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how to use SERP simulation feature in listing optimization.ai. So click on SERP simulation. So what will happen? Amazon, like listing optimization.ai is going to search for the most relevant keyword on Amazon and find a real-time SERP. It is going to remove all sponsored ads and it will remove, the similar brands. If the data is not found, only then the brand will be duplicated. So this is what you're going to see, and in this middle slot you can choose your own images that you have generated over here at the top, so the main images. So you can generate more images from here, and in the SERP simulation, click on the select button, and then you can choose the main image, for example this one. So it looks like it is, uh, you know, blending in. It's not standing out. It's very similar to what others have. So you can choose different main images. For example, I don't have many main images generated, but what I would do, I would come and generate more images which would stand out. So right now it doesn't stand out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to probably pick a template, and then I will click on, let's say, one this. I'm going to click that one, and then I'll probably generate one more. Let's go with this image. So I've created two more. I'm creating two more images as an example. And then once those images are generated, then what I'll do, I'll come to SERP simulation and test them again. While those images are being generated, I'll show you what else you can do with SERP simulation. You can blur the whole SERP and see, this is kind of, manual test that a lot of top sellers, they do. They kind of blur the whole SERP simulation and see where the attention is going. So right now I can tell that, okay, this is where my attention is going. This is what grabbing the attention when humans scan SERP simulation. So blur test is really, really helpful. You can also shuffle the competitors just to see if your image is only standing out, at a certain position, or does it stand out like, at when your competitor's ranking change or your ranking change. That's the shuffle feature. You can download this as well. If you want to download, and if you're an agency, you want to share it with the client, you can download that. You can see it in full screen as well. If this does not look like big enough of screen for you guys, you can always click here and make it full screen. You can also see mobile SERP uh, simulation. You can do the auto scroll, like see how when humans scroll, like how it would look like. So that's another feature. So let me go back to the desktop version. Let's see if these images are okay. So this image is generated and this image is still generating. So I'm going to do a quick refresh. And so these images, okay, that image is also generated. So I would come over here and I would try to find a new image that AI just created for me and see if that image does stand out or not. So I'm going to click this one. So this one absolutely uh, stands out. It grabs the attention a little bit because of the background effect. And if you want to change it to a different one, let's take a look how the product packaging looks like. That's your another one. So you can see like which image does really stand out. That's one option. Second, like if you're not sure if the competitors are correct, you can always change those competitors. Let's say over here. So this is the same brand. So I don't want to, use this one. So what I would do, I would click on delete button and I would go to Amazon.com and find a more relevant competitor. So let's say if I go with, I just want to see, maybe I just want to check this is the same brand as well. Okay, let's try this one. So no, this is a kids sunscreen. Just for an example, I'm going to go with this CeraVe face moisturizer. It's not relevant, but just wanted to show you guys how this works. You copy the ASIN, come over here, paste your ASIN over here, click add, and then that image will be added over here. So now you can see, you can change those competitors um, as you need. So this will give you a very good idea like how your image stands out next to your true competitors. And I'm not saying that all the competitors will be relevant in the first go, but we can make it better if I get feedback from you guys. So this is how you use SERP simulation inside listing optimization.ai.